Hi, my name is Don Davis. I'm your professor for Math 1650 this summer. So I'd like to give you a brief orientation on what you'll need to get started with the course. There is no Lakeland Blackboard site for this class. We use a publisher-driven site called Course Compass. So there's two ways to get the access code for Course Compass. That gives you access to the course materials and so forth. There's two ways to get that. The first way is to go to the Lakeland bookstore, and there you'll find a small box, and it has the access code inside. So you'll need that access code, and you also need the course ID that I gave you in the email that I sent you for the class. And so that would get you online. Another way is to not go to the bookstore and purchase the access code online. Let me show you how to do that. If you go to www.coursecompass.com and go to the site here, you'll see in the right side of the screen, it has a button there for Students Register. So you can just click on that, and you can just use the course ID that I gave you, plus you can just use a credit card and pay for the access code that way. That way you don't have to go into the bookstore if you don't want to. So that's required for the course. There's one other optional thing you might want to get, and that would be the summary notebook, which is really just kind of a soft cover copy of the textbook. So this is the ebook that you have for the course, only it's in its soft cover form. So if you'd like to take it with you to read over it and maybe do exercises out of it, you can do it that way too. So that's optional. The Course Compass access code, that's required. And then there's one more thing you'll need for the course. You'll need a graphing calculator. This is a Texas Instruments TI-83. This works just fine. You can also get a Texas Instruments TI-84. There's really no difference in the way they operate. So either one of those will be just fine. This one's a little bit less expensive than the TI-84. So go ahead and get your access code. Log into Course Compass, and once you get there, I'll have another video that'll show you how the course works and how to learn the material and so forth.